Won't you let me take you on a sea cruise? Hello. Goodness gracious me, I have a little tickle in my throat. Who am I? I am Sister Sue. SISTER_SU. That's S as in Savior, not F like fire truck. Don't go all gray there. Anyway, today I thought I'd take you on a little sea cruise of Twitter and show you some of the things that I do on Twitter, and maybe you can, if you're not on Twitter yet, maybe you'll come on over and say hi. So anyway, this is what you call your profile. There's some pictures there. Scroll down here, and you see I have pinned a tweet here. So I made this post and I pinned it here. And I click there. I could delete it, I can unpin it, I can embed the tweet, and I can view the tweet activity. So somebody's retweeted that. Look at that. View the tweet activity. There's the analytics. 108 people saw this. 4 times people have interacted with the tweet. You can view all the engagements. Man, this thing's engaged more times than me. So there's one retweet. And number of clicks on your media counted across videos, vines, GIFs, and images. Link clicks. So there's one click there. Someone has clicked that. And detail expands. Number of times people viewed the details about the tweet. So that's something you can know about your tweets to know like how many people see them. I can save this to Pinterest. And click on save. Now you won't see what you can see. So I choose to save that, and it may say this is too small. Sometimes so if I want to save this, I can put this in, let's see, you can't see what I'm doing here. Oh dear. I'll come back to you there. Anyway, you can choose a pin, and then after you choose the pin and you pin it, you click there to get back. What else might you like to know? Here's a picture that I made. God is our refuge, Psalm 46:1. I'll just put that up there. I'm going to pin that to the top and change this out. So I'm going to click there and pin it to my profile. So this is going to move that up to the top. And that will be, the other one is dropped down now. So it's way up here. And now this is the first thing people are going to see when they come to see where I tweet. And they might retweet it. They might like it. They may share it somewhere, and this is where you get the analytics, or maybe they'll make a comment on it there. I reply to that. Here is how you make a tweet. You click on the little feather there, and what am I doing? I'm being thankful to still be alive. They told me I'd die October 1st. Here, I'll change that. Thankful to still be alive. Now you see this little blue thing going around there? That's Grammarly. I can open that. You can see it says your writing is ready for prime time. It's telling me that I have no spelling mistakes in there, which is a really cool thing to do. To have that. If I want, I can put a picture on there. I could put a GIF. That's kind of fun too. Let's take a look at that. I'm going to copy this because sometimes what you've written disappears. Control copy. Okay, now let's take a look and see what we can search in here for thankful. Thank you. You're the best. Lots of funny things there. Today I am thankful. I'll take that one. Oh, it stayed there. There. I'll just put that up there. Now you might want to add a description here. That's when it kind of disappears. So when you add a description, it means people who are blind or visually impaired can know what your picture is there. So I'm going to put a sticky note with the words "Today I am thankful." And save. Oh, it stayed there. That's good. Sometimes it disappears what you've written there. There. Okay. Fine. Tweet that. And if we click here, we'll see new things that other people have tweeted over here on the side. These are tweets by everyone who has that I'm following has tweeted. Oh, please pray for me. I can't sleep. It's been months or maybe a year. That doesn't even make any sense. If you're not hungry for God, you're probably full of yourself. That's funny. Retweet. That made me laugh. I'm going to retweet that. And if I mouse over her name, I'm already following her. And then this is hashtags. Those are how you can find certain tweets. Notifications. That's if someone has followed you or said something to you publicly. These people liked my replies and things like that. This is private messaging. This is how you get back to your profile. More. There's analytics, all kinds of things that you can do there. Bookmarks, lists. Nothing to see yet. Pin your favorite list to access them quickly. I have not been able to see how to create lists. Your own. Create a new list. Hooray! Today I figured out how to create a new list. Okay. Friends, I are you know what kind of a list do I want to make? Okay. United States. People and accounts from the USA. Now, some people go a little crazy when you put them on a list. So I could make that private if I wanted to, and no one would see it. I'll make that private. I don't know why they don't like lists. I don't know what that's all about. Next. So, these are suggested people from the USA. I'm not following any of these people. Why would they suggest people I don't even know? Holy cow. Apparently, they're suggesting all these accounts from the United States. And here, this one I know is in the United States, and it's somebody I'm following. There, done for now. And then there. So anyway, I hope you have a great day. Remember, come and see me. I'm Sister Sue, Sister, not Mr. Sister _ SU. That's S like in Savior, not F like in fire truck. Okay. Remember to click that little Canadian flag down there and subscribe and click the bell as well. And I'll be seeing you, God willing. I'm very happy to still be alive.